and welcome to Tangy Settle Luxuries, where I share luxury, beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. So today I have a Coach boxing gone wrong. So before I talk to you about my Coach unboxing, let me show you my outfit of the day, share that with you. I'm home today. I'm not really doing anything, so I'm just chilling. So I have on my Jimi Hendrix t-shirt that I received that I picked up. Where did I pick this up from? I think I picked this up from Target, and then I have on a pair of camo pants, jeans, whatever you want to call it, that I picked up from Express, and then I just have on my slippers. That's it, because I'm chilling. Earrings today, or a pair of onyx earrings that I got from my mom. I love them. And just my Invicta watch. Excuse Peanut, she's having issues every time I film. That's how we roll. So, Peanut always has to be a part of something. So, now let's talk about my Coach handbag that I purchased. Okay, I purchased this handbag from Dillard's, not from the Coach website. It came in this box, like this. It came wrapped in some tissue paper, like so. Then the bubble wrap. And then this is what I got. I'm all about packaging. I'm all about the appearance and the presentation. And this had nada. So here's the bag. I thought it was going to be a brighter yellow, and it's not. This is like a mustard yellow. You can see that the handles are not wrapped. The inside of the bag, it came to me just like this, open, and it does have another strap. However, the straps are not wrapped at all. This little part is wrapped, but you can see that this is sticking up. And then let me show y'all the inside of the bag. It did come with the dust bag. So here's the dust bag. So the inside of the bag has some other stuff that was in there, the little silicone packets that come with it. So it has a pocket right here. This pocket did have a little indentation right here. So, just a little tab. Let's see. And then that's it. It just has this one pocket. It doesn't have a back pocket or anything. But however, on this bag, you can see that, where is it? You can see that it is got a dent here. It also has another dent here, as well as you can see right here, it does have some pen marks. And I'm not happy about that. Now, I did pay $103.25 for this bag. The original price of this bag was $295. So, it's a good price, but I'm still not wowed by this bag. I think it was probably out on the floor or something because of the way it was wrapped. But again, it did not come from Coach, so that could be a problem too. Well, and before I brought that bag, I said, you know what? Let me try my hand at another bag. So I purchased this one from Target before I purchased this one. And I thought I would just go ahead and take this one back because I was getting this one. So I'm going to take this one back as well because I really like the color of this handbag, because I thought the Coach handbag was going to be this color, but it's not. This handbag just seems kind of like cheaply made to me, which, what am I going to expect for $25, right? I just don't like the handles, and I think I'm really not a croc person either. So that could be it. It does have a weird opening till you press this tab, you turn this tab here, and then you push down and then open up. And then inside, it's stuffed. It just has one zipper pocket right here. And it does have a back pocket as well. And I'm just not wowed by this handbag either. And without the stuff, and then without any stuffing in it, it's kind of hard to close. It's like, I don't know. It's really like hard to close without the stuffing in it. So these are the two handbags I have, this Coach and then this one, and both of them will be returned because I'm not going to hold on to handbags that really don't wow me. In order for me to keep a handbag, I really have to like it, and both of these are not my wow factor, so they both will be returned. So this is all I have for you today in reference to handbags, and I just wanted to say, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel, because I've been noticing that I'm receiving a lot of views, but you guys are forgetting to click the subscribe button. So please do me a favor. If you like my content, you like my channel, come on, give me a thumbs up and click the subscribe button and come on and be a part of the family. I am trying to get to 500 subscribers by March 31st, and I need you guys' help. So please help me do so. And I will see you again here next Sunday. And don't forget to share, and share some more. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Mwah.